T-minus 40 seconds.
Stable at step 3.
$28 seconds. 25.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur. Go SBIRS.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the 4th space-based infrared system for the United States Air Force. You are hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Program is complete. Booster S throttled down as expected. Mach 1. Boosters throttled back up. Max Q. Coming up on SRB burnout shortly. Performance continues to look good. RD-180 chamber pressures continue to be steady. And we have indication of SRB burnout. Current altitude is 14 miles, downrange distance 11 miles, current velocity 2,622 miles per hour. Booster has throttled down as expected at this point in the mission. And the vehicle is now 50% its liftoff weight. RD-180 continues to perform well. Coming up on SRB jettison. And we have indication of jettison of the SRB. Looks like a clean separation. 2 alpha closed loop steering has begun. Booster has begun roll bias pointing. RCS pyro valve has been firing. That system is now pressurizing to flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 43 miles, downrange distance 94 miles, current velocity 6,691 miles per hour. Booster has throttled back as expected. Currently the vehicle is 25% its liftoff weight. Coming up on our 5G throttle segment. Boost space cooldown is underway. Turbo pyro valve has been fired. Now throttling to maintain 4.6 Gs. Boost space cooldown is complete, and we have MECO. We have stage separation. Box and fuel pre-start on the RL-10. GM2 purge firing is underway. We have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. Yep, and we have payload fairing jettison. Indications are a good jettison. RL-10 is burning at set mixture ratio for the early part of this 9.5-minute burn. Chamber pressures, injector for fuel venturi, and discharge all look good. Centaur has now begun the closed loop PU portion of the burn.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T plus 5 minutes 30 seconds. Marty Malinowski just confirmed the successful completion of the early phase of today's flight, and all systems continue to operate nominally. The mission is currently in the first of 2 Centaur engine burns. Our next